Louis Vuitton, favorite, size. This one is monogram naman. Yan. Maganda pa yung canvas niya. Tapos gold yung kanyang front hardware. May few scratches lang, hairlines. Then here yung side, likod. Yan. Other side, yung ilalim. And the corners, maganda. Corner 1. Dito maganda rin. Corner 2. And dito, it's still nice. Yung kanyang chain, gold na gold pa. Dito lang sa hook na to, may tarnish. Pero yung chain itself, it's gold. Tapos yung loob niya, yan siya. Yun, meron lang darker and lighter part. Yung kanyang leather stamp or leather logo. Ayan. Tapos yung kanyang long strap, maganda pa yung long strap niya. Oh. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-dark. Maganda yung baketa niya. It's very nice. Okay, for when worn. This one, monogram. Ayan siya. Pwede siyang crossbody, shoulder bag, or kilikili bag gamit yung gold chain. Ayan siya. Ayan. Favorite,